What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Quentin here from Sewing and Vacuum Warehouse. And this Tip Tuesday, we're going to go over exactly what I promised last week, and that is the couching on the brand new XJ2. Go over a few different things, how to get there, how to do it, what you should do, and how to properly set it up. If you have the XJ2 or you purchased the XJ1 and got the upgrade, it will come with this couching attachment and the special couching foot. For starters, the yarn needs to have the thread mass installed, which comes with all Stellaires. With this thread mass, it's going to provide enough length to prevent a whole lot of tension from building up, but that is something you have to make sure does not get caught. Moving on to the thread, this is actually no different than you would normally thread your machine. Run it through the standard thread path, thread your needle, and you're good to go. However, that does not mean you can run the thread off of the same thread mass that the yarn is going into. They will get tangled up on each other. And you won't have to worry about changing your speed on the machine. It will automatically adjust that speed for you. So let's get into it. So we're just gonna open our screen and get into our main embroidery mode once our embroidery machine adjusts here. So we'll get into our embroidery mode, and along the side we will have different categories over here. At the very bottom I have a category with the letter C on top. That C does stand for couching. And I'm left with two more options now. I have a design and an AB indicating that it's a font. So here we're going to get into our designs. Now I have over 40 designs that come just standard with the machine. It's hotter than heck out there, so we're running an autumn leaf to pray to bring some cool weather. So we'll open that, that's number 9, and we'll show you where we're going from here. Because this is in the embroidery section of your machine, you do have a lot of the standard edit capabilities like sizing, mirroring, and rotating. But just because we need it for the sake of the video, we'll send it right on through. Here we have our fabric hooped on the 9.5 by 9.5 that comes standard with the Stellaires. And off we go.
Trim that in. Okay.
Alright, so the machine will go ahead and cut your thread for you just like it always will, but it is not going to cut the yarn. So, following the manual that comes with your machine, it is going to instruct you to pull about 8 inches of the yarn out before you pull it off. So we'll go and we've already pulled our extra out. We'll pull our hoop out, and then you can actually follow your manual, and it will tell you that you need to puncture a hole and drag the yarn down through the bottom and tie it off. Alright guys, now that we've just scratched the surface of some really awesome couching features, like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the upcoming tips. I'll see you next Tuesday.